Class 95 Load leveling. See, the load varies throughout the day. Sometimes during the peak hours, that is peak load duration, the available power generation may not be enough. So during light load, the generated voltage, generated power will be stored in batteries. And then during peak load, this battery power will be converted back to AC and given to the grid, thereby compensating for the peak load hours. Next we have different other energy storage systems. For example, superconductive inductors. You know, inductors can store energy. So during off peak hours, that is light load hours, energy will be stored in the inductors. And then during high load hours, it will be fed back to the supply. So a line commutated converter, what you have studied in dual converter, is used. You know, by varying alpha, it can be made to operate as a rectifier or inverter. So during off load, that is light load hours, it will work as rectifier and energy will be fed to the inverter, to the inductor. It will be operating in the rectification mode. Current in the inductors will be increasing. During offload hours, during loading, that is peak hours, the inductors will be working in the commutator will be working in the inverter mode, and the inductor energy will be fed back to the supply. Current will be decreasing in the inductor during that time because energy is being fed back to the supply.